was born for your purpose, made, formed in the likeness of one who reigns in majesty and power. I've been saved, caught in a great grace, changed, and found in a new way. 'Cause love that can't be earned can change the world. Hallelujah, your love lifted me. All our weaknesses have been nailed onto that tree. Hold our hands up high, turn our faces to the wind. 'Cause we're not ashamed anymore. And I believe with your love we can change the world.